Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram note feature not showing after update. So there are some solutions to it. The first one is you need to just go to your Play Store and go for your Instagram app. Now in the Instagram app here, if you find any update option, you need to just update it immediately. And after the update, the problem will be solved. If it is not solved, then go for step 2. Go to your Instagram app. Now in your Instagram app, click the bottom right, your profile icon. Now click the top right, the 3 dash icon. Now click on settings and privacy. Now just scroll here and go to this option, messages and story replies. Now click the bottom option, story activity status. Now if this option is not on, just turn it on. And after turning it on, your problem will be solved. Just refresh this and click the top right send icon. You will find the note option here. If you don't find it, then you need to go to step 3. The solution to the step 3 is just go to your profile icon again. Click the top right 3 dash icon. Click on settings and privacy. Now here just scroll down and go for account type and tools. Now just switch to professional account, the first option, and just follow these steps. You need to select a category for you. Now just go to check if the note features is back. Here you can see the note feature is back. Now you can just turn your account to personal again. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.